Hello everyone, Kardom and Namaste आप सभी को. I am Lily Rogpharpi and I am here with an exciting news for you all. Kare Hansipi Memorial Academy is going to organize a food festival on 12th of December 2021 in Difu Namding Road 5 Kilo. In this food festival, you will going to find local and regional food plus games and much more exciting things. Also, the items are available on the screen. As you all might don't know that Kare Hansipi Memorial English School is a fully private school giving orphan students with free education, food and accommodation run by the society and managed by Mr. Johnny Timu. Also, the tickets are available only on 200 rupees. And the most important and interesting thing is that सारी की सारी tickets मनी सीधे जाएंगे अनाथ आश्रम के बच्चों के फंड में. उनसे उन लोगों की जरूरतमंद और उच्च शिक्षा में बहुत ही मदद होगी. So I hope you guys going to enjoy the festival. A small help can save someone's life. Thank you, Kardom.